So in this video, I want to explore the features that are available in each one of the different subscription levels for QuickBooks. Now, for the purposes of this class, we're ignoring the self-employed version because that's more of an invoicing app than it is a full-service accounting app. So let's look at Simple Start, Essentials, and Online Plus. There's also an advanced subscription level, but we're going to focus on these three: Simple Start, Essentials, and Online Plus. They all include lots of the same useful stuff, but once you get down to this area, there are a lot of things that fall off for the lowest level. For example, you're not going to be able to track payables. You're not going to be able to enter bills and pay them later. You're not going to be able to do recurring transactions, billable hours. There are a bunch of features that won't be available. So the point where you would need to switch between Simple Start and Essentials is the place where you might need any of these types of functionality. And then the same thing with Essentials. You get to a certain point and you don't get features. And this is what can help you to decide which subscription is best for your company or for your client's company. If they need any of these things, they need to upgrade here. So for example, do they need to do 1099 miscellaneous? And we said 1099 miscellaneous would be for something like when you're renting from a landlord and you need to do a 1099 for that rent. But right here's a big one. If you need to do budgets, then you need to be in the QuickBooks Online Plus. Same thing with location tracking, class tracking, and purchase orders. So those are pretty common things that businesses would need, and they're only available when you go to that Online Plus subscription level. Now, obviously, the more features included in the subscription price is going to raise the price of the subscription. But if you have a business that needs the full suite of pretty much everything QuickBooks can do, then it's the Online Plus. Now, in the advanced version, you get a lot more reporting capability. So if you're a larger business, that's probably a better way to go. So in the next video, we're going to talk about some categorization methods. So it's some pretty awesome functionality. So I will see you in the next video.